Gave hugs. You want to give hugs too? Look at that mouth. Whoa. Many of you have already probably seen bits and pieces of my kitchen through past videos, but I have not actually filmed a full tour of my kitchen, so that's what we're going to do today. When you are standing in my living room, this is the view you see when you walk into the kitchen. Over to the right, you will see my kitchen table. This table I got for a killer deal off of Craigslist. Right now, I'm still working on what exactly I want to put on the table. I'm still decorating, so this is what I have at the moment. I just have this wood box that I received as a gift. I also have this placemat that I got really cheap recently for Easter. It was an Easter sale, so I got that really cheap. I also have this fresh baked pies. This is the Target sign that I'm sure everybody has seen. And behind here, I did have flowers in this vase, but they were real flowers, so they died. So I need to get some new flowers to go in that. Over here, this isn't going to stay. It's just here for the time being because we just got this Bluetooth speaker and it is awesome. So if you guys are in the market for a new Bluetooth speaker, highly recommend this. It is so good. Over in the corner, I have this Shine Bright sign that I actually just picked up not long ago from Big Lots. I love that. It was on sale for $8, I believe it was. These curtains I just picked up recently from the thrift store and I love them. Before I just had plain white sheer curtains up and I love this pop of blue color, so those were an awesome buy. This is the beginning of my command center in my kitchen. So I just got this rack right here from Hobby Lobby, and the chalkboard above it I got from Ross. So let me zoom in so you guys can get a closer look. But this is what it looks like. I love this basket. It was on sale 50% off, so it was not that expensive. And I also love this chalkboard. I got this because I loved this little tray on the bottom and I knew it was going to be perfect to hold all of my planners and things in. So that's where those live. And these baskets are for our mail. Have our kitchen island right here. Nothing fancy. I don't put anything on it normally. I would love to decorate it, but right now it's just plain. Over here, I have some files that my husband uses. He puts his work receipts in those every day when he gets home from work. Then we just have a few things charging right here in our charge bank. I plan to do a DIY to cover that up because I hate these cords. But that will be in a future video, so be on the lookout for that. And I got this flower holder right here from Joann Fabric. If you did not know, because I did not know this, but Joann Fabrics actually has really cute home decor. I always was under the assumption that they were just a fabric store, but no, they have decor. So I got this flower at that store, and my thought was I was going to take this vase out and put something in the bottom of this, and this was going to be our pen holder for our command center, but I don't know. Now I might go ahead and put flowers in it, and then like you can see I could just clip pens. Like if we just need a pen, I can clip it there, or I can clip it here. So we'll see what I decide to do. Over here, I just have this B for our last name. And that is all that I have on here right now. I do plan to eventually put something on both sides of this. I just haven't found exactly what I want yet. And I'm not thrilled about how this bottom section looks. So I might get some more things to fill it in, or I might change those two. To the left of the command station is the hallway that leads to this is our laundry little area. and this is a half bath. So I guess I can give you a quick tour of that as well. Live, laugh, love sign, and I use it just to clip different things that my kids do. So they have these little I love you mom pictures, and then these were some little footprint things we did with them obviously last year, so I need to update this. Then we get to the door of the bathroom. This is another door that leads out to our back deck and our laundry area. So I'll open it up and show you real quick. I have a whole video on this laundry area, so if you would like to check that out, I will link it below. But this is what our little laundry area looks like. There you go. Nothing too special or crazy. I need to fix this banner because it is all funky right now. Just noticed that. But that's that. I'll take you inside the bathroom. This is a half bath, so it's really tiny. Hey guys. Okay, so when you walk in, we have our hand towel, this Make Today Amazing sign, the sink, nothing crazy. This soap I got from the Dollar Tree, and I actually really like it. So that, I have this topiary that I have a DIY video on how I made. I'll link that down below. Over here in the wall, I have this, what I love most about my home is who I share it with picture. And then we have a window. Then flip around and we got the nice toilet. This little stool right here are for my kids so they can wash their hands and all that good stuff. Then we have our toilet paper, trash can. On top of the toilet is just some tissues. And then up here I have this shelf. It actually is not even in the wall. It sits perfectly on this bar. And over here I just have a bunch of random stuff. I don't really love how this looks, but eventually I'll change it. Right now I have this Dollar Tree sign, and I think this is really, really cute. I like this sign. And it just says, be the same person in the dark that you are in the light. I also have this Dollar Tree milk glass and just a sprig of, I don't even know what those are called, but these are from the Dollar Tree as well. It was just left over from another project, from a wreath that I did. I'll show you guys when we get to that. This is a candle from the Dollar Tree, and I thought it just fit in well with the colors, so I picked that up. This is a B for our last name. You'll see quite a few B's around the house. And this is another DIY project, and I have a video on that, so I will link that below as well. And just my little plant. And this is the view right when you walk out of the bathroom. You come back into the kitchen. Over here you'll see my refrigerator. On top of the refrigerator, I keep a old drying rack, and inside the drying rack I stack my lids to all of my pots and pans, and that's how I keep those organized. I have this basket that I keep all of our bread in, and then just a box of milk chocolate K-cups for the Keurig that is right beside the refrigerator. To the left of the Keurig, we have our kitchen sink. Just standard, nothing special. We have a window where I did another one of those swag curtains. And on the window seal, I just have a couple of these Dollar Tree succulents. I have a real succulent that is trying to die, so I'm trying to bring it back to life. We'll see. I'll keep you updated on how that goes. Some green onions that are growing crazy. I need to trim them. And then just another one of those succulents. Then we have our fruit holder. I got this at Ross, if anybody was wondering. Down there we have our dishwasher. Over to the left of that, oh, let me show you my signs. I have a sign on the wall here, and I just think it's so cute. mind your own biscuits and life will be gravy. If that is not true, I don't know what is. And then over here on the other side, don't go baking my heart. Seriously, how cute is that? I got these from Big Lots. Over here in the corner, I have another sign that I just recently got from Big Lots. They have a lot of cute decor, guys. So if you're looking for decor, check out Big Lots. You'll be surprised. This just says, my roost, my rules. And then I have, this is another real plant that I have. And I really like this one. I think he's just really cool. I don't know why I call most of my plants he's. But yeah. So they just stay over there in the corner. Let me back away so you can get a full view of this wall, but it's where the oven and the microwave is. And up above here, I have these two white topiaries were actually decorations in my wedding almost 10 years ago. So I have those up there. I used to have something in between those, but I recently moved it, so I need to go shopping for some more decor. Over on my stove, I just have this little plant, and this is not real. This is a fake one. And I picked this up from the thrift store. And over to the left of that, I just have a, this is a knife set. And I have our microwave. On top of our microwave, I just have this placemat with a wax candle warmer on it. To the left of the microwave, I have, this is our pantry. So I'm not going to go into detail because I already have a video on that. I'll link it down below. But above the pantry door, I have this Sweet Dreams Are Made of Cheese sign. That was a Big Lots find. Then I have this gorgeous, I think it's gorgeous. I don't know about anybody else, but I do. This gorgeous wreath that I actually made out of Dollar Tree items. Everything here is from the Dollar Tree, and it cost me, I would say, probably $5, I think it was. I don't remember exactly. It was either $5 or $6. Really cheap, and I think it just really gives a nice pop of color to this otherwise plain door. Then beside the pantry on this wall, we have our trash can. And above the trash can, we have this eat sign that I got from Kirkland's. And this is just the last area that I have not shown you guys. I have some little girls right here that are eating their dinner. Say hey, guys.
Hey. Hi, guys.
Down on the floor here, we just have our dog's food dishes. And beside that is our deep freezer. So that just sits right there in the corner. And I have this Dollar Tree basket that sits on top of it. And that's where we throw all of our recycling. So that goes in there. And this area is brand new, but I love it. I just got these shelves from the thrift store. And when I got them, they were like a shiny white color. And I knew I wanted to distress them. So I got some sandpaper and I sanded down the sides just to give it a little more rustic look. And I love how it turned out. I have this herbs little box right here that I got from the Target dollar spot, as well as this container. And I have not filled them up yet, as you can tell, because I just got them. But I would love to put some of the cotton stems in this if I can find some at a good price. If not, I'm going to check the dollar store and see what I can come up with. And I don't know what I want to put in this yet. So if you guys have any good ideas, let me know down in the comments below. And this top shelf, I have just a really pretty woven tray that I had. And I have this Farm Fresh sign that I got from the Target dollar spot. And coming back around on the wall here in front of my kitchen table, I don't believe I showed you this little piece, or this big piece here. But this is an iron piece that I have hanging on the wall here. Eventually, this is going to be gone altogether, and I'm probably going to hang it outside on our patio. I would love to get like some mirrors or some shutters to hang right here and put like a wreath on it. So eventually, Well, guys, that is the end of my kitchen tour. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, make sure you give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss any of my future videos.